What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So from the title of this video, you guys already know we have a really special package that just made it here after a few months of waiting. And this package here is pretty big. I'm going to do an unboxing video for you guys. This actually came all the way from the motherland of Malaysia. Fun fact for those who don't know, my mom's from Malaysia. So yeah, I actually got this all the way from there. So let's go ahead and do a little unboxing for you guys. So before I unbox it, I want to say a big thank you to CTH Toys or Boss New on Instagram. I'm going to link their Instagram page right here on the page. So they pretty much have different type of die casts. They do shipping worldwide, and hopefully we'll be able to visit their store when I visit my family in Malaysia someday. I believe they're based out of Malacca in Malaysia. So I do pass by Malacca every time I visit some family in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Shout out to my Malaysian subscribers. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's in there. So I want to say a very well packaged product. It says fragile, you know. From the time that I ordered it, depending on this is a pre-order product or not. In my case, this was pre-ordered. So what that means is there are photos online before it's officially released. It did take a few months to get a pre-release model. But if it's something already in stock, you pretty much get it pretty quickly. In my case, I put down half a deposit, wait a couple months. When it's ready, I just pay for it again, as well as shipping. So yeah, I want to say they shipped it out from Malaysia a couple days ago in a matter of a few days. I want to say in about half a week, I got this from Malaysia all the way here in Texas, USA. So pretty quick shipping. And I believe because I'm overseas, everything's packaged extra nice. So it comes with this exterior cardboard box. But there's some nice styrofoam packaging. Let me go ahead and rest the camera so I can remove the actual box. And here it is, the Motorhelix box. Super cool. Official Honda licensed product. It's a Hong Kong brand. Real nice and fancy, as you can tell. So let's go do a little unboxing and show you guys what's in here. Honda S2000 Type S, official licensed product. Oof. Limited edition number 335 of $4.99. Little lift. A red hardtop, a soft top. Alright, so it does say Honda S2000 Type S, official Honda licensed product. Once I open it, you see the little brochure, limited edition, number 335 of $4.99. Very cool. Couple goodies, we have this little hoist right here, engine hoist. We have a hardtop in red, and we have a convertible soft top. There's also a bunch of other stuff. Your glass for the doors, more stuff for the soft top. Well, you guys are not here to see the little accessories, so let's go ahead and open and see what's in here. Alright, so now that we have the tape removed, let's show you guys what's in here. I'm super excited. My first time taking a look as well. Ooh, look at this. Honda S2000 This is super nice. So to show you guys what we have here, we have an engine, 1 of 18 scale engine of the S2000, super detailed, super cool. And then we have a little S2000 keychain over here, red S2000, that's super awesome. And then the most important thing right here is this actual die cast. So let's show you guys up close how it looks. Alright, so I removed the S2000 from its packaging. So right now let me show you guys the details of this S2000. They also provided this little sponge or squeegee, I guess, to kind of remove some stuff so that your fingerprints don't get all over it. Okay, hopefully this is a little bit easier to see. So firstly, this is with the CR front lip, CR wheels, and they never did make a CR in red, but I guess this is the Type S variant. Seems like what looks like a CR wing, dual exhaust tip. If you look at the interior, it is super detailed as well. Hopefully camera picks it up. You guys can see the interior, the steering wheel, right hand drive. You can see the little shift knob, the center console, even down to the interior. Let's check out the interior. You can see the seats. Very detailed. Let's open the driver's side door. It's on the little details. Let's show you guys underneath the hood. Oh, you know what? I actually have a hood prop, I believe. Let's go ahead and use a hood prop. That's super cool. A little hood prop. There we go. In here you can see the engine bay details, air box, the valve cover, even down to the battery, the fuse box. This is so detailed. On the left you could see the blue cap for the coolant overflow, the radiator cap on the radiator. Wow, it's just so detailed. Again, everything might be the opposite in the US because this is the right-hand drive variant. So let's come around and look at inside the trunk. Wow, you can see the details even down to the trunk liner. And let's look inside the trunk itself. Even the material of the trunk, the liner is spot on, just like OEM. That's crazy. Level of detail on this thing is just insane. And then one last thing to look is underneath the car. So let's go ahead and look underneath the car itself. Wow. You can see the exhaust, the transmission setup. The level of detail on this thing is crazy. And you guys are wondering, this is a 1 of 18 scale. So you guys saw how detailed the S2000 is. In this box, like I said, they also have other accessories like the hard top and soft top. Let's go ahead and throw on the hard top, see how it looks. Paint match hard top. So if you want to throw on the little, I guess, windows, you can. Or you can just throw on the hard top just like this. Just like that. Alright, so we're outside in the garage with the real life S2000. Obviously mine is far from stock, but if you look at the little comparison scale, what do you guys think? I mean, very, very close. Definitely the best diecast model scale I have seen in terms of detail. Again, this is the 1 to 18 scale. I mean, the level of details, whether it's the interior, the engine bay, trunk, underneath, everything is crazy.
You can even see the little oil filter back here in blue from Honda. So yeah, just level of how real this is insane. They also do have a bunch of other toys, so if you guys want to check out the diecast, CTH Toys on Instagram, make sure to check them out. So what do you guys think? Do you think looks like the real thing? I think it's pretty close. Even the color, so this color is the new Formula Red. As you guys can see, side by side, it's pretty spot on.
So I hope you guys like this little diecast unboxing video. Not something I typically do on the channel, but I figure it's car related and I've been waiting for this for quite a few months. So if you guys have any diecast needs, make sure to check out CTH Toys on Instagram. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.